Mandy and Lee, the Frugal Travellers, travelling the world on a budget for over 30 years, and this is country 118, Pakistan.
We are in Lahore, Pakistan, and we're just about to jump on a train. What are trains like in Pakistan? Keep watching to find out on this video. This is Lahore Junction, and look, it looks like a castle more than anything. Turrets, and it looks very fortified. Apparently, it was built just after the 1857 uprising, so they built it like a castle to protect the infrastructure here in case of another uprising.
Which is amazing. Look at it, it looks just like a castle.
Exactly.
Incredible.
Yeah. This is our first train station in Pakistan. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're going to get the 7 o'clock train to Rawalpindi because we're going to Islamabad. You can't go all the way to Islamabad, unfortunately, so we've got to go to Rawalpindi and then jump on some local transport to get to Islamabad. It's nice and quiet this time of day. Lots of people sleeping, and we have to go through this way to enter the train station. Through security. Lahore Junction. It's quite clean, pretty good condition. There's a lovely big notice board up there telling you where all the trains are going to. So we are on the 106 Mandy? No. Is it the 7 AM, the Khyber Mail? That should be us. Our time, platform number 4. Just check with the platform ticket selling guy where the platform is, because it's not where it says on the board, is it, Mandy?
No, the board says 4, he says it's platform 5.
Okay,
so,
yeah,
okay.
A bit of confusion. Here is Jinnah, I think. These are the fathers of the Pakistani independence, and we're going to go over the platform there. Got a nice view of the station from up here. See down on the first platform. There's some interesting shields there with Urdu writing on. Got a train just coming in slowly here. Not sure if this might be our train. There aren't really any signs to where the platforms are.
That's 4.
Oh, that's 4. And we are definitely on 5.
He says we are.
Okay. There's a guy on the roof of the train over there. I think he's just getting some water in. Platform 5 down. So, and 4's there, so we should be all right. Got a feeling this is our one here. These are economy class. Oops, platform 5. Okay, we'll have to ask. Oops, we're on the wrong platform there. That was 4. This one is platform 5. This should be our train. There's places you can buy plenty of snacks and water and stuff like that. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Train number 6. I think we're on carriage number 8, and they're written on the side somewhere. Oh, parlour car.
Oh, that's got screens, Lee.
Yeah. This is the parlour car. I don't know if this is AC.
No, but look at this. They've got screens in the back of their seats. Wow.
That's what you get if you spend a few rupees more. Our ticket cost 1,480 rupees, which is just over $5 US for a 5-hour journey to Rawalpindi, so not bad. Let's see what we get for our money.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a great deal of confusion as to where the cars are.
Okay, so the numbering system is yeah, not quite as efficient as I was expecting.
This one's number 6 here. That's the business class. And then this one's number 8, the one we go to, need to go to. So it's all a bit confusing.
It is even more confusing. It's AC standard. What? We're in AC. We didn't book AC. We didn't think. That's why it was more expensive.
Okay, maybe she just put us in AC because she assumed we're tourists, so we want to go in AC. Oh, it's very nice. AC, definitely feeling it. So different to the normal fan place. So the seats look quite comfortable. Some even have tables there. Look at that. Power sockets. Is this us? Wow, we wow.
Fan, but AC as well.
So we're definitely in the right place, Mandy.
Yeah, because it turns out the ticket does say AC lower. standard seat.
Yeah.
We didn't.
So we bought AC without knowing about it.
Yeah. So the thing is, when you ask for like economy, just be really clear what you say. We probably should have said sleeper class. But because we said economy, she just put us in economy AC.
That's right, yeah. And you can apparently book online, but it looks really complicated. So we came to the train station and we put a little thing in our last video about that too. A little bit of a train tour. Here's the toilets before we get going, so you can see. We've got a Western style toilet there. Not sure how it flushes. You've got a jug, so maybe that way. Water and a mirror. There's another one here. I don't know if this is squat sometimes. Yeah, and then you've got a squat toilet too. So you've got a choice depending on your preference. I'm a little wander now. I love the way the train station is designed. The style of the windows here and the doors, you know. Definitely got character. Nice and quiet, not too many people around at the moment. 30 minutes before the train's due to leave. There's a guy come around with food options, and there's things that you can buy here. Tea, lunchbox.
Some vegetarian options.
$2.80, that's pretty good.
Oh, they've got
Subsea, yeah. We're leaving soon, so I'm not quite sure if we'll get them in time. The downside about being AC is the fact that the windows are completely sealed and they're very dirty, so you can't see the wonderful views out the window like you would in like the Indian sleeper class trains. They've got open windows completely, haven't they? Do they here in second class?
I am sure when we were walking down the platform trying to find carriage 8, I saw some of those sleeper cars with the windows open. So
might be something worth asking about.
Definitely. I'm just going to go for a little walk down the inside of the train before it starts moving and gets really noisy. Oh, I think this one might be aircon sleep. Oh, cool. That's what it looks like. There's ladies in there, so I can't really video. Let's try to find one that's empty. Doesn't look like it, but wow, it's an aircon sleeper. So this is the parlour class. Wow, it looks lovely. So nice. Wow, so I've just come to the non-aircon bit. This is like the Indian sleeper trains that we were on all the time. And as you can see, looks as though it's only like 2 layers high. And yes, I am vlogging. And so I'm guessing that's why she put us in like aircon seats, because it does look very, very crowded so far. So this is what you get in economy class fan. But the train's leaving in like 5 minutes, so I think I want to like race back up. So far, like I'm really pleased. Like, you know, for 1,400 rupees each, we've got a lovely comfortable seat. And it'll be, I don't know, a great journey to Islamabad, like trying Pakistani trains. So wonderful. And aircon, yay! It's 7:04.
Yeah, and we're leaving, which is pretty good. Only 4 minutes late, and it's going to be 5 hours to get to Rawalpindi. Sit back, relax, enjoy the AC.
And kind of the view. This carriage is like second to the end. Can you see?
Some very violent movement of the carriage and
bumping. I just thought then that we were going to derail, because it's like,
yeah,
really fucking scary. We're not used to being like the carriages right at the back. If there is train security, guys just walk past with an AK-47 over his shoulder. So yes.
Nice to know we're secure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So they've just come through and checked the tickets, so make sure you've got those handy. Really nice guys. There isn't actually like a restaurant on board. They come through selling tea and coffee, been told, and also like chicken snack kind of things.
There are chaiwalas going around.
Okay.
Hello. How much is tea?
100.
100. Yeah. Wow. It comes a bit soft.
Yeah.
can't.
You gotta drink it fast. How is it though? Does it taste like normal, like tea bag tea?
Milky, no, milky tea, but not sort of spicy cardamom tea.
Okay.
Very nice.
Got the ultimate trolley snack man here. Wow, I wonder if he's got anything like chickpea type.
I've come out to by the door here, and the door is open, so you can have a look outside, which is much nicer than being stuck inside the AC with a window. Watch the world go by. Hang out with the locals. A lot of people come here to smoke, so be prepared for some smoke. This is really cool, the brick making factories. I've seen these around everywhere. Look at that. Wow. Just up to the random place, and I do believe that's marijuana growing down there by the edge of the track. Apparently Pakistan is famous for its weed that grows almost everywhere. Yeah, it's definitely weed. I've got that strong sweet smell. Lala Musa Junction, there's the guard there with his green flag and the white uniform. Pretty cool, just getting his tea before he carries on with his work. Oh, there was food there. Could have bought some food. That would have been good.
We were hungry, we succumbed. This is the only food option on the train. Oops, just dropped the chips. This is 400, sandwich, piece of chicken and ketchup.
So what's the verdict of train food, Mandy?
Well, the bread is sweet. It's not a sandwich, it's got like mayo in it or something. It's sweet. But the deep fried chicken is tasty, especially with the ketchup.
Looks well cooked. Good snack.
Good snack. I mean, 400 rupees is quite expensive in Pakistan from what we've seen so far. But we're hungry, so we needed something.
The AC is nice, but there's nothing better than standing in an open doorway with the wind blowing in your hair, admiring the scenery. I love this way to travel. Looking pretty dry and barren out there.
It's not often that I'm like first off the train.
There we go, we're off. Here we are, Rawalpindi. 7 minutes late, 7 minutes past 12, which is absolutely fantastic. We'll go over now and find our way out and find out how to get the Metrobus to Islamabad.
And what did you think of the journey, Lee?
Really good, a little bit bumpy, you know, and it's quite slow, but it's really nice. Enjoyed the scenery, nice to be in AC. That was a little special treat for us. Brilliant, fantastic.
And so we've asked, and we're to go up and over the steps, over the bridge to Rawalpindi station.
We're hungry, so we thought we'd get some samosas here at the train station before we go anywhere. They're only 40 rupees each, which is really good.
Wow. Some other things as well. Here's the price list. This will give us energy for our walk down to the metro station, 1.8k. It's also nice and organised so far. Metal detector. When I compare this to like the Indian train stations, this is nice, tidy, clean.
It is, isn't it? And orderly, I like it.
Yeah.
So Rawalpindi and Islamabad are like sister cities. They're right next to each other. Rawalpindi is the old one, and then Islamabad was built as the new capital in the 70s, I think, a long time ago. But they're like connected really, but we've got to get from one to the other, Rawalpindi to Islamabad. And because Islamabad's so sprawling and the infrastructure isn't that good, I don't think, for transport, there is a metro bus which goes there from here. But it means walking 1.8 kilometers to Mare Chowk, and from there we can jump on the metro bus. So there's the Bolan Hotel if you're interested in staying there. It looks very open air. Yeah, you can have a room with a breeze. Mandy's looking to call a cab. It is a possibility we could do that on U Drive, isn't it? Yeah.
No, it's so that I drive no, InDrive or
Yeah.
Kareem,
Yeah.
one that we use in the Middle East.
It's
The thing
saying
is-
800 rupees
Yeah.
all the way to our hostel in Islamabad, which is 11 kilometers away, which would be fantastic, but you can't get online and order it.
No, I'm having trouble with the SIM card.
Yeah.
So otherwise, what we're doing now is walking the 1.8k to the Metrobus.
Yeah, yeah.
Metrobus, change into the other line,
The orange line.
and then get
and
off.
Metrobus to closest as we possibly can get to our hostel, and then we'll have to order another cab to get there from there.
Yeah.
But at least we'll be like 3 or 4 kilometers from the hostel then.
So I think
Yeah.
that taxi is going to be like 500. So if we
Maybe.
can actually go directly from here, it'd be blooming brilliant.
Yeah,
We'll try
it'd
it.
only be like $1 more, and yeah, it's just not getting on. With we've got a Zhong SIM card, and you'd think in the like capital city, sister city, Rawalpindi, it would be able to connect, but it isn't. So there you go. And it still had no trouble calling a cab. It is blaring hot, just after midday, so heat of the day, no shade. Walking along here. Travelling isn't always as easy as you'd like it to be, but them's the breaks, right? Hello, how are you?
How are you? Fine.
Good, thank you. Nice people.
So yeah, we've finally reached the metro. Now first of all, there's a fuel station here. It's a super unleaded, 266.5.
About $1 US, just under a US dollar.
And-
So it's not that cheap for Pakistan. Really.
No, diesel 278.4. So
See the big flyover here? This is the metro line, so it's purely for that bus. So it goes fast, beats all the traffic, and it's supposed to be a good infrastructure. If only it went everywhere in the city.
yeah, I think Lee mentioned earlier, Islamabad is a huge, sprawling city. You know, everything's really far apart. It doesn't seem to be a centre that we can see anyway. And we're going to be staying in E11. So we're making our way there now.
This is the easy way to travel.
So Lee's just asking at the ticket office and buying the tickets. We weren't quite sure of the system.
Don't know if you can see this, but we're down in Rawalpindi on the red line. We're going to go up to this junction, Ahmed Faiz, to change to the orange line. We can only buy a ticket to there, and then we have to buy another ticket to the orange line. But it's only 30 rupees each for a ticket, which is brilliant.
My ticket. And the really cool thing is, we've never actually been on one of these metro buses before.
And they come about every 4 or 5 minutes. They're really fast. There's one here right now. Hopefully we can get a seat.
It is quite full. So it's kind of like a train compartment, but are we going to Lee? I'll go to the front, Lee. This is the men's section, and I'm in the women and children only. And as you can see, we're both standing. It's pretty packed. With great luck, we've both got seats.
Still prime with sweat though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, the aircon's not quite as amazing as we'd hoped. So, here goes our bus. That was stage 1. So we ended up getting on the second bus. It's 50 rupees each, and at least both got a seat and some aircon.
Only about 3 stops. Brilliant.
And it's so important to remember to keep your ticket, because you've got to hand it in when you get off, and if you forget it, I don't know what happens, you might have to buy another one. One final point with the Islamabad metro system. We've been to 3 stations, and of the 3 stations, only 1 escalator has worked. So I'm not too sure what people will do if they are struggling to walk, etc. And I don't even know if there's a lift for people in wheelchairs.
So Islamabad is one of these cities, and if you haven't got a car, you're screwed. So we got out of the Metrobus and we've ordered a cab successfully.
Yeah.
Yes, on Kareem.
Yes?
To do about the last 7 kilometers to our hostel in E11, and it's costing 346 rupees, which is under £1. That's pretty good.
So in total, to get here to get to the hostel from Rawalpindi station, it will be
500 rupees, which isn't bad right overall, but it has taken a bit of a while.
Yeah.
So I think we'll finish our video here. That's the transport from Lahore all the way to Islamabad.
Yep, and so make sure you keep watching. We've got more videos to come from Islamabad, from the north of Pakistan,
Yeah.
and just exploring this amazing country. We're going to be here for another month.
And we're heading up to the mountains, so keep watching and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.